Well, it's late afternoon and he's sleeping like he has a serious 9 to 5. He must be having obviously some type of dream because his poles were just moving. All Shadow has to do is wake up in the morning. He doesn't like to sleep on his mat when we're down here. He likes to get on the floor maybe because it's cooler or something, but it's not hot down here. This is what he likes to do. And when he's moving too much, he's not doing it right now, I'll wake him up, or Larry will. And he loves to sit in front of the chair Larry sits in all the time. Ooh.